Kerala, eulogized as God's own country, is now bearing the brunt of monsoon fury, which has inflicted heavy damage. The bounty of monsoon metamorphosed itself into a frenzy, destroying all gifts that nature has been providing the state. These torrential rains and landslides have ravaged farmlands, cityscapes, and prompted massive evacuation efforts across Kerala. Almost all parts of Kerala has been ravaged by heavy rain, with flooding and landslides in many areas. Many families relinquished their homes and sought refuge in relief camps. 33 dams opened their shutters, which accelerated the water flow, and many houses living on these shores submerged in the ensuing deluge. Red alert had to be issued to all 14 districts in Kerala. Now, on subsiding of rain, although the red alert is for 2 districts only, the destruction to life and infrastructure because of its volume will take years to calculate. As per the preliminary assessments, the state suffered an overall loss of Rs 19,500 crores in these floods. The nature's fury has unsettled the lives, as rail services across Kerala was with road transport possible only in very few places. Flight operations have been suspended at Kochi Airport. Kochi metro services have been suspended until further notice. Although the magnitude of the disaster is first of its kind, Kerala is trying to provide rescue as well as relief to the affected citizens.